baseline of this ZX-10 today.
Okay.
And the final with the mapping.
Okay. So 174 to start, and then 195 is where you're at after your Brilliance ECU flash.
Yes, and what you'll see here, don't mind me, I'm crawling around there.
Okay.
At the factory rev limiter, there's, you know, massive gain, 100 to 191.
Yeah.
That just rolls off. The bottom end is very much improved, like what you'll see when Evan comes out with his video. The slip-on bikes are very flat right here.
Yep.
The factory header bikes are very flat. Your bike has that grunt back. And you can see down here in the lower part, the bike is extremely lean with the pipe, like out of this world lean, where you can see the knock events in the middle here, and especially this big knock event here, which is why I decided to not continue to do more stock runs. But pretty straightforward. Fueling is very much on target now, right where it should be.
Okay.
Safe, little rich on top for safety. But that's pretty good.